Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Wi-Fi into your laptop in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to come over to the taskbar over here. And here you can see there is an option called Wi-Fi. You can see and it's connected with my device. But in your case, if you turn it off, you just simply come over to the Wi-Fi icon and click this turn on and then connect your Wi-Fi by this. You can see my Wi-Fi is connected. But you can do it into another way. Just simply come over at the start icon, go for settings, and then you will get an option called network and internet. Click on that, and then you will get an option called show available network. So click on that. From here you can connect with your Wi-Fi in a very simple way. So this is how you can connect Wi-Fi to your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.